Hi, I'm Paul Solt, and I'm looking for a new iOS full-time developer position. I have published 6 apps on the App Store for iOS as well as macOS, and I have a popular YouTube channel. So recently I was let go from GoPro when they cut 4% of the workforce. My previous work experiences include Apple, Microsoft, and I taught iOS at Lambda School. So at GoPro, I was a staff engineer on the iOS camera team where I used SwiftUI to revamp the Bluetooth camera connected experience. I also improved Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity and added support for new cameras like the Hero 10, Hero 11, Hero 12, and even the Hero 9. I don't know why I forgot that one. I participated in every hackathon over the past 3 years that I was there, and I submitted details for a provisional patent, but I don't know if that's going to go through now that I'm not an employee. So I joined GoPro so that I could help improve the product and make it more accessible. I led 3 teams of 3 to 8 people in the GoPro Hackathons where we improved the GoPro Quik app through using customer reviews on the App Store as well as business analytics. And this past year, my team won the hackathon for improving the frame grab experience. Last summer, we updated the iPad landscape support so that customers would stop writing negative reviews that it wasn't supported. And then part of my first hackathon project was merged in 2022, where we demonstrated an improved workflow for onboarding new users and the privacy permissions. So I am a writer and a speaker, and at GoPro, I also created developer documentation. I took notes and presented technical talks for both the iOS and the QA teams. I also gave presentations on UI testing and how to read the camera logs, and I helped with onboarding and hiring. I wrote the iOS onboarding document, and I wrote a iOS best practices document to help our team share common knowledge. And lastly, I also taught the Git rebase workflows, testing procedures, and how to capture logs from the GoPro cameras. So now I'm looking for a role where I can continue to work as an individual contributor, where I can mentor other iOS developers and provide technical expertise to both the product and the design teams. I really enjoy brainstorming. I like creating new products. That's why I have apps on the App Store. That's why I work on hackathon projects. So I'm searching for a role where I can join a team and be a team player and impact millions of people. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for a job or if you have a job, please give this video a like. You can comment down below. And if you're not, but you know of a company, please share that with me. My email is paulsolt@gmail.com, or you can comment down below about any opportunities. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.